Hello, everyone. Would like to take just a minute and show you how to create a Google Hangout on Air for your class. This is Jeff Bonney. I'm the instructor for B370 at BYU, Idaho. I wanted to give you an idea what that is. So first thing you're going to do when you're in your Google Plus account is you're going to come over here to Hangouts, and you're going to click on Hangouts. All right. And while that's still up, you're going to come up here to Hangout on Air. Click on that. And then you're going to go past the person's smiling face and create a Hangout on Air. You're going to do this and create a name for it. And then you're going to also put a description in here. Okay. Now, here's a key when it comes to Hangout on Air. You can do these later. I've found almost every time I've tried to do that, it tends to be a problem. So I do this now, which is the highlighted in the gray box here, as you can see. And what you're going to do with that is on that now, basically you're going to start that Hangout on Air 5 minutes or so, 8 minutes before the class, and I'll show you what you're going to do to get that email and then send it back to the students. So let me show you how to do this. This one, I'm going to make sure the public is not on there. So you have to have one section of your class. This is the semester, the section I have named for this semester. So you have to broadcast it to someone. That has to be selected there. And then you hit share. And then that takes us to this location. You'll notice the label is here. It's the test for HOA. And then you're going to start this. And while you're starting it, this is going to come up. You're going to see yourself. You're not going to invite any more guests because this, again, gets confusing. It adds more levels of confusion to that. So I skip this one. And now what I do is this, is I get the email address, or the link here. I copy the link. All right. And then I make sure the microphone is unmuted. Now, I'm not going to do this in this step, but you're going to take that link and send it to your class members. So you're doing this 5 or 10 minutes before. So for a while, you're just sitting here waiting. You'll notice this down here is still at 48, 49, 50%. You're just sitting here waiting. Now, if you're on live, okay, so you're after you email that link, which you're going to do, again, it's right up here. I've already copied it, paste it, email it, send it to your class. Your class will join you. They'll show up here. All right. And after the class joins you, or it's time for that Hangout on Air to start, then you start the broadcast. Right now, this is not recording, but once you put start broadcast, it will be recording, and I'll show you that here. So it's going to say go live. Now you're already live, but you're going to go live and record it now. And you hit that. You'll notice up at the top, Hangout on Air is live. And down here, you'll see stop broadcast. If you hit that stop, it's done. You can't start it again. It's not a pause button. So you'll have you here and the class members here, and you're having your Hangout, doing a great job, having a discussion. Stop the broadcast, and you're done. And that really is easy. It's, again, the key is sending this link to do that. There are permanent links with Google Plus. Again, Google Plus has so many quirks to it. I've had a problem trying that permanent link. It didn't work, so I use the link. It pops up every week. I copy it, paste it, and send it to my students. So that is how you do it, and that's how you do a Hangout on Air.